Hello guys, good morning. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leo Mbui, and in case the first time you're seeing this beautiful mamacita, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So guys, today is on a Wednesday. I just wanted to say hi to you all. How are you guys doing? So I've just taken a shower and I'm planning to go to is it a salon? Really, a beauty salon? That is at Rari Beauty. I want to go and take my wig. I have a water wave, but the hairline has been misbehaving and I've only worn that wig 2 times. So I talked to him while I had an appointment for my baby shower makeup, and he told me that he can make it in a way that I can put it on glueless or install it when I want. So I want to go and take it to him so that he can like tengeneza. He told me it's going to cost around 4,000, and I mean, it's not bad considering that I can put it on whenever I want. So I'm here taking my, let me show you guys, taking my okra water. It has honey. Yes, and I'm done with my today's cup of okra water. I'm also feeling a little bit hungry. I want to, yesterday we did some big fish. Like we had some fish. My love had fish and ugali, my coconut fish and ugali. I had dry fish and chips masala. As always, since I'm not a very big fan of ugali, then I just do chips masala. But I feel like I should do we should do ugali today. There's some soup that we have here. It's called oha soup. That's what we are going to have with ugali. So yes, for dinner. Me lunch, I think ndajipanga. Yes guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Yes guys, hello guys. So I was supposed to go and take my hair to the salon. I have slept akini melala. I've slept from around 11. Let me see. Right now it's at 3, so I've slept as from 12ish, 11:30, 12ish, up to 2:30, and I woke up so hungry. Now what I've decided to do is to take some cake. I still have some cake that I had for my baby shower stroke birthday, so that is what I'm having. I don't think leo nitakuwa na mambo mingi ya kufanya because I'm not even the one who is making dinner. My love will come back home and he'll be the one making dinner. We are having some ugali. I think I told you guys about that. Yes. So I think I just bite the cake and this milk. I think dalala tena. And someone told me that I should sleep now, like as much as possible, because when the baby comes tunaweza kosa usingizi vibaya sana. So yeah, I don't mind the background. Tunapack pole pole because we have to move out in the next few weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Yes, actually I've not like After the gifts that I unboxed, I've not removed them. They are still on the gift box. Kama it's the things that I got from Isili for the baby, they are still in the gunias. The ones that we got from TikTok, the Mutumba ones, TikTok and Toy Market, they are in a certain bag. I should actually plan and call Mama Fua because lately it's so cold and we are having our baby in July, which makes it even like nini juu it will be so cold. So I need to plan and see how this clothes should be washed. See how my neck is dark. I feel like the only part there's an news that I'm pregnant is my neck and maybe my armpits because they are a bit dark. Yes guys, acha nikule. I don't think there is much to do. I don't think I'll even go to the salon. Maybe niende kesho or something because sasa hii imeenda. Hiki keki nimeikula. Ni kama ilikuwa kubwa because my friends also carried some. But still. See you tomorrow. In case I'll be able to go, we'll go together. If I want, actually I had already removed the wig. Ni vivu tu niko nayo but yeah. Hi baby. Hello. Anza kunibomoa tu sai. Kwa hapa namuamsha. See ya. Hi guys, good afternoon. This is the following day, that is on Thursday. So yesterday, remember we were supposed to make some ugali and soup. Yes, we made it, but ilikuwa na pilipili mob, so I couldn't take it. I made some indomie for myself. My love had ugali and oha soup. And then guess what? So my love got me a MacBook that I've been trying to maneuver here and there. So, tokens zinawika. Who tells you that sija edit a whole video using CapCut and then hii token inanibo. Tungoje iache kunini. In the meantime, kindly subscribe. Click that red button. So, nili edit a whole video using CapCut. Then guess what? Yesterday as I'm looking for my project, nikirudi, it's starting from square zero. Like, why didn't I know that CapCut doesn't save your work? And like InShot, most of the time I've interacted with it and it saves my work all the time. Whether I've exited or not, it will save my work as draft. And that's how now I'm able to edit every day, every part. Like when it comes to weekly videos, I can be able to edit like each day's video every day. So you can get, like after I'm done with today's part, I'll just go attach, edit, and that's it. Tomorrow the same, like the day after tomorrow, I was disappointed. I felt bad. It was actually the video of unboxing my baby shower stroke birthday gifts. It really disappointed me. Sana, this is what I did not miss about content creation, honestly. Una edit inapotea. Anyway, it is what it is. I was so mad. I just deleted the CapCut app from my laptop. And now officially, I think I'll just be using InShot either on my phone or on the MacBook. But it doesn't make sense that I have a MacBook and I have to use my phone to edit. So I'm yet to connect the DJI or the camera to the MacBook. Because my camera is now connected to my loves phone, so we have to download using his phone. Then anitumie to my phone, ndio ingia kwa iCloud, then I can be able to access it from the MacBook. So yes, today I'm not going to promise to do anything because yesterday I was supposed to take my week. I didn't feel like doing anything. So Leo, my love, has said he's going to make dinner because lately I actually don't feel like cooking. Crazy. I'm lazy to cook. But it's not my fault. That's because nikisimama sana, whenever I stand for long, my back tends to ache a lot. So he has asked me what I want to have. I was like, he makes the best spaghetti, or rather pasta, like whether spaghetti, Indomies or macaroni, he makes the best. So what we do is whenever we are making such kind of food like pasta products, what we do, I make some chicken. He really loves drumsticks. So, and I was thinking of making wings, the honey wings. But now the problem is I can't be able to take it out of the freezer. So nimepata drumsticks, and that is what I'll marinate later in the evening before he comes home. Ndio when he's making the pasta, I'll be making the chicken. So hi guys, today is on a Friday. As you have seen before, we were trying to set up the MacBook so that it will compatible and I can be able to access all my videos so that I can be able to edit. So now I'm editing a video, the one that I got gifts from my friends during our baby shower stroke my birthday. So yes, that's what I'll be up to. I have to edit 2 videos today, to edit and upload, inshallah. That's what I'm going to do. So yes, wish me luck. I'm editing this one and the one for Karura. We went to Karura on Sunday. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do.
Imagine you were criticized a $1 billion company online, and then they retaliate by stalking you. Now this all starts with this woman. He was around 60 years old, living in Massachusetts with her husband, this guy, David. And Ina and David, they run a website at their home where Ina basically blogs about online shopping platforms like eBay and Etsy and Amazon, platforms like that. And one day in 2019, Ina writes an email, and she says that this guy gets paid like $18 million a year, 52 times what regular employees in eBay make. And so thousands of people regularly read her.
Big black nigga in an icy watch, shoes on the coupe, bitch, I got a Nike shop. Count the profits, you could bring them in the Nike box. Grinding in my Jordans, kick them off, they might be high.
Guys, kama uko juu ya mtu shuka.
Sai kama utumii kondomu wewe vaa tatu.
Hati kama utumii kondomu vaa tatu. Guys, mzee wangu amesema kama uko juu ya mtu ushuke. Na kama hujavaa kondomu vaa tatu juu.
Vaa tatu once.
Kuzaa si mchezo guys. Okay, you can imagine kuzaa yenyewe si mchezo, alafu pesa. Payment?
Not Jakarta.
Oh, they usually pay for parking. Wait, even if you're coming like to be treated, you usually pay for parking? For instance, if you come to give birth for 2 days, you'll have to pay...
Yes.
How much?
For this is just 50 shillings.
Oh, and for like now, like 2 days?
We have to calculate that, but it's
I think it's per minute.
quite a lot.
Oh, wow. So that's something I didn't know about AR. That you pay for parking and you are patient. guys, so I want to take this wig ndio nitengenezee hapa mbele hii lace. Yes, because this wig is actually new. Like, I've worn it just twice since I got it. So yes guys, that is what I'm going to do today. Another thing that I did is undoing my hair. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday I left you at the salon, if I'm not wrong. So I took my hair, the wig, to the salon, and then I went to another salon to do the controls as I washed the hair, some treatment and blow dry. So yes, I did that. So today, this morning, where I took the wig, the guy has actually called me and told me that they are ready, or rather the wig is ready and I should go for it. So I've just gotten ready. My love, of course, he showered me before he left, and then sasa nafa kwenda and take the wig. So let's see, nataka kwenda pia nivalishe your wig. We see how it will look like, and yeah, that will be it.